Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. From this video we are going to start a new video series based on FastAPI. FastAPI is a backend framework of Python language and it has some key features that make it special as compared to other backend frameworks. So now let's discuss those key features and after that we will move to practical session. As you can see the word fast in the name of FastAPI, it is really fast. That means the response time of its API is faster than others. The next is automatic docs. So the FastAPI automatically creates documentation of our APIs and that we can access using these two, Swagger UI and Redoc. And also at the same UI we can test our APIs. The next is editor supports. So FastAPI almost supports all major editors. That means auto completion works everywhere. The next is validation. So FastAPI automatically validates our request data using identing models. So we will have practical of all these key features in upcoming videos. The last and very powerful and very useful key feature of this FastAPI is asynchronous model. So FastAPI supports asynchronous programming and that means it can handle multiple requests at the same time. Okay, so these are some key features that make it special and I recommend you to learn this FastAPI. So friends, this is the end of this video. In the next video we will learn how to download Python, how to download FastAPI and how to configure, and after that we will have practical sessions. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.